Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 5008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. There's 18-inch alloy wheels, full LED headlights, you get front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got part leather interior with heated front seats. The touchscreen features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control, there's a smartphone charging plate. The car also has some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done just under 2,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.